Hi Beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I went to my mailbox and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. Oh my goodness, let me go ahead and get them out of the way so I can open them up. Ooh, one just fell and it's okay because it was the teeth whitening kit. This company sent me a teeth whitening kit. They wanted me to try it. And if I like it, I'll let you know. So there we go. And then let's get on to the fun stuff. This is the stuff I love, is when you beauties send me amazing stuff. So the first one is from Misty Trujillo. She is a stamping beauty. You guys, I get to know you so much, and you may not realize it, but especially when you join my stamping team. She joined my stamping team. She's a stamping beauty, and I tell you this because, you guys, if you can take a minute to just say a prayer for her health. This poor girl is in and out of the hospital. Look at that. So she got me a little sticky note with my last initial on it. And a cute little flower here. Oh, so sweet. Oh, she knows I love pencils. It's a little sock monkey. It says for you. I'm going to save this because it's wrapped up. Now this one, she had asked me, I sent you a package. I hope it didn't melt. So it's not melted, but that's because she said that. So as soon as I got home, I stuck it in the fridge. But if you could see, it definitely melted. But I stuck it in the fridge, so now it's not melted anymore. And then Shopkins. Super cute. Wonder what I could do with that. And then we got one more. And it's wrapped up so sweet and special. Oh, she got me the I Love Planning sticker and a little travel notebook or notebook, whatever the case may be in your life. To most people, it's a notebook. To those of us who do travel notebooks, it's a travel notebook. But it's got my initial on it. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Misty, for thinking of me. Oh my goodness, you guys are so sweet. All right, let's see. We've got a card here, and that's from Miss Gail. And I know this is a handmade card. She makes me handmade cards, usually on my birthday. She's also a beauty and also a stamping beauty. She joined my Stampin' Up! Team, and she lives all the way in New York. But I get to see her once a year when she comes out here for... Oh, look at that. I bet it's a congratulations card for my Maui trip. So it says, congratulations on that thing you did. I'd give you a standing ovation, but here's a card instead. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Gail. And yep, it was handmade because you're worth it. Oh, that is super sweet. So, if you guys watch my videos, I show you how I put my cards in. I also put my cards in after they're open the same way, so I know who sent it to me and what card it is, and then I stick it in my card rack just like that. Okie dokie, the next one is from Becky Burr. So sweet. I love this. Look at this beautiful job that she did. That is so nice. Love the ribbon. So very cute. All right, how are we going to open this one? I want to kind of keep it intact. I'm going to cut it like that. I do not want to ruin her works of art. You guys, I keep these all in like a little binder book because it's so amazing. She made her own envelope. You guys are so talented. Now she is a beauty as well. And a Stampin' Up! Customer. Oh, it's a pocket letter. We've got some flamingo ribbon. Some more flamingo ribbon. You guys often ask me what a pocket letter is, and now I get to show you. So it comes with a card. There's always some kind of letter. And look at, she made this card. Thanks for being part of my life and letting me be part of yours. LOL is lots of laughing out loud. Oh, LOLOL. Lots of laughing out loud. Oh, that's super sweet. And then she's got a note here. I just have to read it. I'll open this while I'm reading it. Oh, Becky, you're so sweet. Okay, well, I didn't do a very good job of opening that while I was reading it, did I? Okay, so this is a pocket letter. Look at that. It's a baseball card sleeve, and it's all decorated up. We've got some washi tape, and then each sleeve, if I turn it over, you'll see that each sleeve has some little trinkets in there. So this one has some mason jars, and it's so that we can use it for crafting. So we give each other little crafting gifts. And there's usually a gift in every single one. And then tea. And she put some coffee in here. I usually put tea or hot chocolate. So that's really cute. And she sent me some little hearts here. This one I have to open because it looks like there's some tape, some paper tape like here. That'll be used in my planner. And then this little card, and it says, let God's love fill your whole life. Let it fall softly in quiet moments that bring you peace. Let it sparkle everywhere as you share its hope and beauty. Let it warm every corner of your world. And then there's a little piece right here cut out. That is so sweet. Becky, you are always, always so sweet. And then this one has some little papers in it. So that they would be perfect to make my own pocket letter, or, oh, I forgot it's from the front, or for my Bible journaling, all kinds of fun stuff. And then here, this one, she made a little, like bookmark, or a tag, whatever the case may be, but it's super cute. I just love handmade, as you know. And then here we've got, looks like we've got a whole little stack of cards. And these look like she handmade these wonderful cards. Little, oh, so many ideas. You can, like, put something on here, like you could put pens and then stick it to your pen box. You can make your own little tags. Becky, you are so thoughtful. We've got the tea and the coffee, and then we've got some little squares as well. Again, I can use these for cards and gifts and all kinds of fun stuff. Pocket letters are so fun because you get to craft it, and then you get to give 9 little gifts, and then the person receiving it gets to have 9 little gifts. And then I'll tell you the way I do it. She covered up the little baseball tags, the little holes, but I will put the holes back in with my hole punch because I have a whole book of all the pocket letters you guys have sent me. So that's another one that's going in there. I can't wait. And then this ribbon, when they tie it with ribbon, you guys, you get to use the ribbon later. It's just a fun little crafting gift. Okie dokie, we have this one here. This is from Dora. She is a beauty, of course. Now I'm trying to open this because I try not to give out the addresses unless I have permission to do so, which I usually don't even ask. Oh, you know when this happens. Look at For a Beauty. So this happens because she was going to mail it out this way, and then the post office told her it would probably be cheaper to send it priority. Dora, if I am telling the truth, let me know. If it's another reason, let me know. But that happens to me so often. Now this one, I want to open very carefully to keep the address intact. Oh, you guys, I wasn't going to show that. I hope you didn't see that. Oh, look at this. What am I going to have to do for all these beads? Oh, look how fun, you guys. We are going to have some fun with the beads. Look at that. Look at all of these beautiful beads. So many shapes and sizes. Oh. There is definitely some crafting to be done here. I'm going to look at the letter real quick. Here are some New Orleans Mardi Gras beads for you to enjoy. I love all of your crafting videos. Thank you so much. And that her nickname is Dora. And then, last but not least, we've got this from Sandra. That's Sandy. Pignolette, again, she is a stamping, well, she's not a Stamping Beauty team, but she is a stamper, and she is a beauty. So, let me see. Open this guy up. I think I can cut it right here. Always want to be careful because we are paper crafters. You never know where the paper starts and stops sometimes. Okay. Here is a picture in honor of your brother. I also gave you a few things for planner, and I had a stamp made for you. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, thank you, Sandy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. This is so sweet. This will be going on the back of my cards. Handmade with Love by Piersanti. It's got a circle and then this little heart there. Oh, that is so sweet. I'm going to put it right there. I'll show you where I'm going to put it. Right there. Oh, so sweet. And I already know I'm probably going to sit here and just cry like I did last time I opened. Open this guy. There we go. I can't wait to look. I'm saving it till the end. So we've got, look at the theme of the day, flamingos. With their little legs different ways and a little die. Oh, we've also got some llamas. Oh my goodness. Some journaling. You guys know me so well. Got a ruler with some little great bullet journaling there. Ooh, you guys, I love these. Where you put the stencil and you rub it. Oh. I'll tell you, Sandy is, she buys from my Stampin' Up! Online store, and she always buys enough to get to the class, and I have been able to meet her online, face-to-face, talk. Oh, and those of you who attend as well, you guys know she's a great person. And this is Heidi Swap. Some calendar stickers. I'm going to be using those. And then some more stickers. I have not seen these. These are from the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen either one of these. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, I am actually getting ready to go on a road trip, and I am going to take these with me because I am going to do up my planner. I haven't done it this week, so we're doing good. Oh, thank you, Sandy. And let's open this guy up. Oh. Uh-oh. The little guy, the little frame broke, but that's okay. Sorry, I got a call. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh. Did you hand make this? Did you make this? That is so sweet. That is beautiful. We got a little piece here, but I will fix that. You know, I can fix it. Oh, you guys, look at that. That is so adorable. Thank you so much. Oh. All right. You guys, this is the perfect ending to all of the great gifts you guys have given me. It wasn't even my birthday or anything. You guys just show me the love. And if I could show you, each and every one of you, the love that I have for you, oh, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be making thank you cards this week for sure. Oh, sorry. I literally got choked up. So, oh, thank you. Beauties, have a wonderful day. I hope you have a great week. You guys, I'm going to be, again, traveling. I'll look for a Dollar Tree for you so I can do maybe a live Dollar Tree and see what we get on the road. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.